Yeah. Hey guys, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? I just went in to bring her because she just woke up from nap, and I just ended a vlog, and then I said okay, let me start up another one. So this is me trying to start up another vlog with my baby girl that just woke up from a nap now. My baby, can you guys see she's having a running nose? I think she's growing a new teeth or new tooth. Let me check. I've said that I'm going to check and I keep forgetting. Let me use this opportunity to check, mama. Mama, she will not agree to open. She will not. It's usually difficult to get her to open her mouth, but I'll surely do that. But I'm suggesting, or I'm guessing, that she's growing a new set of teeth, probably down or up, because right now she has 4 up and 2 down, right? Yeah, 2 down, 4 up. Yes, 4 up, 2 down. Yes. Oh. She's giving you the cover of my lens. Take. All right guys, so I want to quickly go and prepare lunch / dinner, because this is like this one is 1 hour late. That wall clock there is 1 hour late. So this is like 2:42. Yeah, you can see it there. So nothing much really. I just want to quickly go and make some indomie or instant noodles, as some people may call it. My kids, they love and enjoy indomie very well, so that's what we are going to be having for dinner. Let me just call it dinner, because by the time they are back from school, it's already like almost 5 o'clock. Yeah, and then they will take their bath, eat their food. Before you know it, it's bedtime. So I'll see you guys later. And please, before I go, let me know in the comment section, how is your day going? I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. What am I even saying? I'm about to forget again, yet again. Today's shout out goes to, hold on, Angela Oli is calling me. Blessing, can you leave my tripod, please? Leave it for me, please. Can you leave this thing alone, please? She was shaking it. Mama, please. What are you trying to do? Are you guys seeing it? It's today's shout out goes to today's shout out goes to Binta's Kitchen. The second person is Abby Varieties TV. Abby or Abby's? Abby Varieties TV. And the third person is Lady Purity. So please go and check them out. I'm going to be leaving the links to their channels in the description box below. Tell them that I sent you. My battery is getting low. I didn't charge it. It's giving me a signal that I should go and charge it right now. Let me go and cook, and I'll see you guys later.
What's lunch? Ṣé ẹ̀yin gúnyán bàtẹ́ lọ lé ni? Ẹ fi ṣe gúnyán.
I don't want to cook, so I thought like improvise. This is okra, and they're not really hungry. They had a big lunch, so they're not really hungry. So,
Okay, Malik, I have something to tell you. It makes me look good, but whatever. When I put a mask on, then I'm something that you won't recognize me. But yeah.
Hi guys, okra soup is the best. Like, I love okra soup, and this one in particular is so delicious and spicy. I added 2 scotch bonnet peppers, which made it, you know, kind of spicy but not too spicy that my kids can't eat it. They can eat it because the spicy or the spice or the pepper is not too much. Okay, this one is so delicious. As simple as I made it, it still came out so yummy. You know, when something is your favorite, you can cook it different ways and it will still turn out great. That is exactly how this okra soup turned out. So yeah, what is the time now? So this is currently to 8 p.m. Today is Friday, by the way, so I'm kind of happy and you know, excited because I'm not going to be waking up very early in the morning to get the kids ready for school. So yes, blessing is here. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Leave my tripod. We are always dragging this tripod. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?